Hi everyone, back with me again in the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make restaurant menu on Picsart. So if you have a business, especially a restaurant, and you want to make your menu looking more interesting, you can use it using Picsart to create it. And I'm going to show you how. I've already opened the Picsart app, and then just click on the plus icon at the bottom and scroll down into the templates menu. Just click all templates, and here swipe until you found uh, this magic keyword food menu, and then voila, you'll find the template that is provided by the Picsart, including the restaurant menu. So you just need to choose the one that you think more suitable with your restaurant theme, for example, or vibes or extra. So I'm going probably choose this one. Okay, so here is the template. You can change the text like with your own restaurant menu, the price also, or you can change the restaurant, the name of the restaurant. So for example, French restaurant. Click on check, and then you can just you're gonna need to change it one by one into your own menu. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to change it, so just like so, saturation. So I'm going to change it into grayish like this and click on that. So when you're done editing, you just need to click on this arrow and then click on save to save your restaurant menu. So that's so easy, and I think you can do it by maybe an hour, I think. So okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can make your restaurant menu on Picsart. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.